Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And I'm so sorry for my voice here. I have a sore throat, but yeah, I will do this. Let's unleash these kids. And yeah, welcome back to Gunpla Show. I forgot for the segment. Okay, so I have this one right here, this box, and it's small, but it contains two kits right here, and they are some old kits already. Yep, very very old already. uh yeah, I bought them with just the curiosity because I've been buying and stacking all of these backlogs right here at my back on the backlog paradise with those new kits, or yeah, new kind of kits or new models with higher in technology and making their joints, yeah, some of that stuff. So I try to have something that a little bit different. And yeah, this is, we can say that these are the predecessors of those kits right there at my back, which they are now more good in articulation and designs because of these kits also. And this is from the Universal Century, which is comes from the very first ever Gundam, which is the Gundam RX-78-2. Okay, so without further ado, let's talk about this kit when we unleash this one. So with my rusty and not so pointed heavy light right here, let's go, let's unleash this, let's go. Okay, so these are the kits. Where is the tag right here? I want to see the price because we have two kits right here. Yeah. Okay, I forgot the price, but it's all in all, it's only 698 pesos because I think I've used some vouchers on Shopee. So let's have first here this one. We have here your RGM79 GM, or the GM, which in katakana it should be called GM only. It's not GM. Okay, so it is the AFSF mass production mobile suit, which is I don't know if it's the first. I don't know. I know it's not the first kind of GM that we know, because as I know, the first GM is the skirts has it whole cover right here, so it's like that the feet or the legs right here can't even move if you want to move the legs, but right here it's separated, it has a side skirt. But I know that this front skirts right here is a little bit maybe it's not good for articulation for the GM right here. And yeah, this is very small kit here, so I know I can build this even just for an hour or 2-3 hours. That's it. And if you add more of the details for this one, and I think there are also stickers for this, but yeah, see, maybe it's just a little bit of that stickers, but maybe we'll have a half of a day, so 12 hours if you want to add more details for this kit. So it will not take long to build this one. Okay, and why I bought this, because as I know, there is a new GM that was released with that missile pods and some launchers at the back, which is more advanced. But yeah, before I go to that, I want to enjoy first the predecessor, and maybe if I will have that GM, there is an extra weapon. Maybe I can put that weapon right here. So let's see if it is they are capable. This GM is capable to have those weapons from the new GM that was released last time. So let's have that next time. So I need to save more money to buy that GM. Okay, so this is our first one, which is the RGM79 GM. And then the next one is this. Ooh, this is your MSM-07 ZGOK, and this is the marine type ZGOK, which is the principality of Zeon's mass production type. And yeah, I'm right. It's as we know that ZGOK is really a marine type, but the first ZGOK that I saw is the Char's Zigok version, which is the red one. And I have that on, here on the floor, which is on the packs right here that I still need to put that on my shelves. So now you will ask me, why I bought this one, even it's old already? Because there's a release of the amazing Zigok, which a premium Bandai, and I can't, or I don't have the time to buy that on the premium Bandai shop in Shopee. And to ease the pain, or to satisfy my feeling on having that Zigok, I bought the blue one. Okay, the other version of Zigok, but I know it's just a recolor because I know that the Zigok right here has the same armaments, and as I know, there's no weapons for Zigok. It's all about his claws. It's just a recolor of the red one. Oh, I already have that red one. I don't know if I have it on the shelf. If it's not on the shelf, maybe it's on here, on the bags right here. That the kits that I still need to post it, and here on my shelves right here at the back and the side here of my room. So this is the Zigok, a marine type. So same as usual, the Zigok and this GM will have its unboxing. It also will have a speed build because this is a Bandai and very easy to build. And also a quick look and a full review of these kits. Okay, so let's try some old kits also. But even they are old, they are now on the blue Bandai logo, and you will not see their price already or the SRP on the here on the barcode right here. So they are new already. Okay, they have new boxes, and it's on a red tag right here because they are on sale. One of the reasons also why I bought these kits right here. Okay, so that's it for now, guys, for this video and for this content. And if you like these videos and content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed for my next videos. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and God Blower Show signing off. Bye. Sorry, let's go.